there are still many Node.js projects out in the wild that still uses the require JS library to import external module. There are various reasons as to why that is, including just general technical debt. Uh, Conservative companies are not willing to update to a newer version of Node.js, which actually allows the ESNext importing syntax simply because it could break their legacy Node.js code. Now, or they could also not want the overhead, the extra overhead that comes with using TypeScript. By the way, TypeScript is no free lunch. There are overhead costs associated with that. But I personally like TypeScript. It's worth the overhead, but obviously it's up to your company. Now, if you're using Sequelize with Node.js as your ORM, unfortunately, if you import Sequelize like this, it will not give you IntelliSense nor code hinting. Here's what I mean. So you can see how I'm importing Sequelize here. Okay. Now let's say you're in the model file and you're wanting to have some sort of IntelliSense here. As you can see here, I get no IntelliSense whatsoever. These data types and these naming are from memory, from what I used in the past in the IDE. Okay. So if I go back to my utility file and import Sequelize as a module like that, I'm going to get IntelliSense. Here's what I mean. See that? Now I'm getting the actual methods that comes with Sequelize ORM. Okay, so once again, import it like that. That's a module. Good luck.